Hi there, students. Tough love. Okay, tough love is a noun phrase. It's an idiom as well. Okay, this is to use harsh or strong discipline or disciplinary measures against somebody that you love, that you feel for, in order to improve their behavior. This is particularly common when somebody has a drug problem or an alcohol problem, or maybe they're getting into bad company or something like that. This is particularly typical as well of a parent with a child. So her son was clearly getting into bad company and had been shoplifting on various occasions. So the parents grounded him for the rest of the summer. This was an act of tough love. So to the child, this seemed really unreasonable, and the fact that seemed like his parents didn't love him. But the parents are trying to help him to solve his own problem, to keep him away from the bad company. Or yes, for somebody who has an addiction, tough love may be not giving them the money that you always give them, or something like that. In the US, they use this phrase "tough love" as a particular as a policy which is designed to encourage self-help, to encourage people to help themselves by restricting state benefits. So if people don't have enough money, then they've got to find their own solutions. And this is the idea of tough love. It's trying to prod or stimulate somebody into finding their own solutions, taking responsibility for their actions, and you put certain constraints on the person, even and this is from a point of love, that you actually love them, particularly towards a relative, a friend, a child, because like this they will be forced to help themselves, or this at least is the theory. So tough love. I'm not going to buy anything that has sugar in it, anything that's sweet or chocolate or things like that, because clearly my child has a weight problem, and this might be called tough love. Dad, you don't buy me chocolate anymore. Why not? Because you're getting too fat. Okay, so tough love is trying to help someone by a harsh disciplinary system. Yeah, you may have to use tough love and stop or limit her from seeing these new friends, because clearly they're a bad influence on her. Yeah, he may seem very harsh and aggressive, but in fact this is tough love. I don't know, maybe a coach when it comes to training, yeah, physical training to get sports people in shape. Yeah, this is tough love. He's very, very harsh and very strong on them, and makes them work incredibly hard. But in the end, they're going to be really fit, and that is good for them. Although I think maybe the idea is to get them to find their own solutions, their own ways of doing things. So maybe they, in the holidays, then they continue with their exercises because they want to keep in shape. Okay, so tough love, the use of strict disciplinary measures and limitation of freedom or privileges, particularly by a parent or a guardian, to foster responsibility. And this is because you are expressing concern for a person's problem and trying to help them. Formality. I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, definitely. I think you might use it in a semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. And clearly this comes from the word tough, meaning strong, resilience, uh, physically hard, stubborn. And tough itself um, comes from a Proto-Germanic word tahus, meaning fitting, tenacious, or tough, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, denk, to bite. Okay, so tough love. I wonder if you're in favor of tough love or not. I think in some cases it might help, but very often it can just make the situation worse. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tough love.